Wrestling legend Hulk Hogan recently unveiled exciting news: his engagement to yoga teacher Sky Daily. The 69-year-old Florida native shared this heartwarming development with TMZ, recalling how he proposed to Sky, 45, in a Tampa, Florida restaurant last week, to which she happily agreed. Sharing his proposal journey, the charismatic Hogan admitted to some nerves. This isn't his first trip down the aisle, as he's had two previous marriages. His first was to Linda Hogan from 1983 to 2009, with whom he shares two adult children, Brooke, 35, and Nick, 32. The second was with Jennifer McDaniel, lasting from 2010 through 2021. Sky, herself a mother to three children from a previous relationship, has had her life intertwined with Hulk since early 2022. With their respective experiences in the realm of love and relationships, it's clear that their bond has found a harmonious equilibrium. The wrestling icon stated that he has forged a close bond with Sky's three children. His children, Brooke and Nick, have yet to publicly comment on their father's engagement. The duo began dating after Hulk's divorce from Jennifer had been finalized. A snapshot of their burgeoning romance was captured backstage at a Bret Michaels concert in February 2022. Hulk then took to social media to confirm his new relationship status, tweeting, "You maniacs, just for the record, the Facebook and Instagram posts are of me and my girlfriend Sky. I am officially divorced. Sorry, I thought everyone already knew. Love, my maniacs for life."